Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting with specific people quickly. So on the left panel in Google Calendar, you'll see Meet With, and then there's a search box right here that allows you to search for people. If there's somebody you need to schedule a meeting with specifically, you can just type in or begin to type in their email address, select them, hit enter, and it will create a space for that and then also open up this window to start giving the characteristics for this meeting. Is it an event, focus time, and whatnot? And basically what it does is it just makes sure that the event is inviting the person you wanted to meet with, just to make sure that they also have access to this, they know there's a meeting and whatnot. Just a really quick way to do that. You can do this just by creating an event and adding them later, but sometimes you're more concerned about, well, I need to meet with this person, and this is just a quick way to get them in on that meeting. You can schedule the event, whatever date, time you want. Just a really neat feature.